Namaskar. Swami Lakshmanju was great among saints of Kashmir. Swami Lakshmanju was mystic and scholar of Kashmir Shivism. He was known as Lal Sahab, friend of God by followers. Swamiji founded a Shishwati school in Kashmir which taught Trikha, philosophy and Kashmiri Shivism. He was responsible for reviving Kashmiri Shivism and Trikha philosophy. He was a saint, no doubt, but the intellectual rigor that he brought to the concept of sainthood in Kashmir. He was taking scientific, responsible, and realistic references from scriptures and history. Swamiji's spiritual path started at his early age of 5. At the age of 8, his spiritual progress spread to Kashmiri Shivism under his family Pandit Swami Ramju. He attained self-realization at age of 19 in search of Supreme. He left home and moved from ashram to ashram and continued study Sanskrit and Shiv philosophy. Lakshmanju's introduction of Kashmir Shivism attracted to the attention of both Indian and Western indologists. Swami Lakshmanju, a luminary, was born at Namchbal, Srinagar on 9th May 1907. At the age of 25, he edited Bhagavad Gita with its Sanskrit commentary by Abhinav Gupta and wrote important footnotes to it, was published. During the year 34-35, Brahmachari Lakshmanju chose a secluded place at the foothills above Ishbar village near Nishad Garden. This was the place where his idol teacher Abhinav Gupta lived another centuries above. In the year of 1957, he started to live in newly constructed ashram in Ishbar village near Gupta Ganga temple. This ashram is known as Ishwara Ashram and is the headquarters of the Ishwara Ashram Trust. Swamiji attained his nirvana on 27 September 1991 at Noida, Gautam Budh Nagar, Uttar Pradesh. Namaskar.